Me again. This morning, I got up without even opening my eyes and have driven to a mystery location that not even I know where it is. A strange thing with the modern world is that almost no matter where you go, there's signs that humans have graced/buggered wherever you went to. And here is no exception. Moments before starting this video, I opened my previously mentioned closed eyes and was greeted by what appears to be the Eiffel Tower behind me. But upon closer inspection, it is not the Eiffel Tower, and so I have found myself lost. So, my challenge today is to find my way to the safety of the suburbs. Many people say the best course of action is to find and follow a river back to civilization. But I have stumbled upon a method even more effective than that, and that is to stand and listen out intently so you can follow the sound of one of the following things. A distant lawnmower, a screaming child, someone loudly laughing at a barbecue, a car alarm, someone taking their bins out, or the distant sound of a man getting annoyed at a self-checkout machine.
Unexpected item in bagging area. Oh, for goodness sake.
Let's go.
There they come.
I have made it back to the safety of the suburbs. And while I have not found the flustered man who saved my life while trying to use the self-service checkout, I would like to thank him and let him know that even in his darkest hour, he saved me from what could have been my darkest hour, being stranded, lost by the Eiffel Tower, or whatever it was. And now that I have put my self-preservation skills to the test, I feel more confident than ever of adventures to come, and perhaps I should push myself to the further extremes of survival. Just be sure to make sure I'm never too far from a self-checkout machine. I hope you have learned something today, and that the man at the checkout managed to get his milk okay. You truly are my hero. Goodbye again.